Former CVC PJ Thomas has withdrawn his plea in the Delhi High Court for early disposal of his petition to the president against his removal. Rhythm joins us for more on the phone line. Rhythm, what exactly has the reason for withdrawing the petition been given?
Well, the reason, Tanvi, that's very clearly been given by the Delhi High Court is he believed PJ Thomas had moved the Delhi High Court stating that his petition of removal should be first accepted, understood and debated upon by the president before his successor Pradeep Kumar assumed charge of the CVC. However, at the last hearing itself, the judge or Justice Vikramajit Sen had said it's difficult to hear your petition at the 11th hour, referring to the fact that the ceremony of the new CVC was taking place. That being the ground that was given by the High Court, already having suffered a setback, the court has said we would hear your petition in due course. Today, news coming now that PJ Thomas, former CVC, has removed his petition, withdrawn his petition from the court, probably because it was infructuous. Also, the fact that Pradeep Kumar has already taken his oath as the CVC makes his particular petition before the Delhi High Court infructuous. Also, one has to remember this was the last resort that former CVC PJ Thomas was left with. Remember, the entire controversy surrounding his entire appointment was there. Even at that time, there were several marks raised by the Supreme Court of India on his appointment. It was only crucially after the Supreme Court had intervened that former CVC PJ Thomas had in fact been removed. All those factors in mind, the Delhi High Court did keep that in mind. His particular petition asking for the president to consider his removal before appointing the new CVC was not taken heed to by the Delhi High Court. His petition having become infructuous, he took the easy way out of now withdrawing his petition from the Delhi High Court.
Right, Rhythm, thanks for that update.